What's going on, people? We got a very special video for you today. I said a few days ago in a YouTube short that everyone should have a G-SHOCK in their collection. You're talking about the most indestructible watch of all time. And I thought, you know what? I should buy one for myself. I've got a couple of G-SHOCKs from back in the day when I was younger, when I was a kid. I'm actually going to put batteries in those watches because I just think, you know what? They're so fun, they're so cool, so durable. I should definitely start wearing them again after 10 plus years. But then I also thought, you know what? I want something new, something updated, something with a bit more personality behind it, updated design, of course. And I thought, you know what? Let me look at the GA-B2100 collection. And yeah, I saw this watch online and I just fell in love with it. I thought, let me buy this. Bought it a couple of days ago. It's arrived today. So without any further ado, let's just get into it. As you can see, taken off the shipping label already, just so none of you come and find me. There you go. Let me cut this open. Clearly my cutting skills need improvement. Didn't even need much. All right. Interesting. Just some... Oh yeah, of course. Piece of paper. Let me put this to the side. Here we are. Wow. Let me put this to the side here. Away. Let me put the knife away. It's a bad look on camera. Man. These watches, or these watch boxes rather, are just legendary. Obviously the watch itself is legendary, but I haven't touched one of these watch boxes, I should say. I'm making mistakes today, man. Haven't touched one of these watch boxes for years. Let's see, let's get this bad boy opened up. I'm very excited, man. The tin, OG tin, got the warranty in here. Put this to the sides. Let's open this up. More paperwork. Man, they wrap this up real good. You know what I mean? G-SHOCK, professional. What more can you expect? Damn, look at that. That's beautiful. I really like that. Look how cool and funky that looks. Yeah, as you can see, it's got a bright yellow design. Perfect for the summertime, obviously, very much in season. Of course, G-SHOCK with an octagonal, almost messed up, octagonal bezel. Beautiful digital display as well. Obviously, the strap, I mean, listen, these straps have always been durable. Let me cut this off real quick. Where'd the knife go? Take this off because I want to put this watch on for you people. I want to show you how cool it looks on the wrist. There you go. I could have gone very wrong, but it didn't. I'm going to take off my SKX-007. It's one of the first watches I ever owned. Still use it to this day. Banger of a watch. Let's keep it to the sides. Damn, I really like this, you know. Honestly, let me put this on. I'm actually excited. Oh, man. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. Listen, people, everyone needs a G-SHOCK in their collection. Like, you want something fun, something easy to use. If you're somebody who does a manual job, these will be perfect for you. That's really nice, you know. I really like that. As I said, it's in season. I know this watch utilizes solar power technology. It's got solar cells built into the dial itself. Of course, you can connect this to your phone via Bluetooth. I'm pretty sure there's a G-SHOCK app. I'll have to double check that. I'm sure there is. It's got many of those traditional G-SHOCK features. That's really nice. Really, really nice. Really comfortable on the wrist as well. Water resistance up to 200 meters. Case width, I think it's around 45 millimeters, if I'm not mistaken. thickness of 11.9 meters, or millimeters, I should say. That's really cool. No, I like that. I like that a lot. So yeah, people, that was just a quick unboxing. Wanted to show off this watch for you. Really cool. And yeah, honestly, you guys should consider picking these up. Some people online say that they struggle to find these, that they're out of stock. But me, I managed to get this online for around £115. You can definitely get this around that price. I know retail, it's $139, if I'm not mistaken, so I got it a little bit cheaper. But yeah, people, that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Ciao.